Let us learn about Abbott's protease inhibitor treatment of HIV/AIDS. Okay, using ritonavir. Now, this is the term which has been given to you in the Clayden book. This particular term has been given in the Clayden book. That's why I am making this particular video. Okay. So, what is this Abbott? Abbott is the name of the company which developed this treatment. Abbott is what? It is the name of the company which developed this treatment. And what is protease inhibitor treatment using ritonavir? Let us understand. So first of all, one ribosome will be there. That ribosome will move over the HIV mRNA. This green color is the color of HIV mRNA, and this ribosome will move over this particular HIV mRNA, and polypeptide chain will be produced. Similarly, ribosome will again move over this HIV mRNA as well, and again one polypeptide chain will produce. Okay. So what will happen after this? After this, the protease enzyme will cut the polypeptide chain produced in the previous slide. Okay, over here polypeptide chain was produced, over here also polypeptide chain was produced. Now what is happening? One protease enzyme is cutting this polypeptide chain. It is cutting this polypeptide chain. Then after cutting of the polypeptide chain, viral proteins are produced. So this is viral proteins one part and viral proteins another part. After the polypeptide chain is cut down by the protease enzyme, viral proteins are produced, and this is a step which is very essential in replication of virus. Okay, in the birth of virus, in the replication of virus, this is an essential step in the replication of virus. Now, what does protease inhibitor like ritonavir do? What does ritonavir do actually, or norvir, whatever you may call it? What does it do? It is a protease inhibitor. It is a type of protease inhibitor. So what does it do? The protease enzyme is over here, and protease inhibitor will go and fit on this particular site. Okay, so it is going to react with the protease inhibitor this protease inhibitor will react with the protease enzyme. It will react with it to produce some new compound. Okay, this is protease enzyme, this is protease inhibitor, and protease enzyme and protease inhibitor will combine with each other to produce some new compound, will react with each other to produce some new compound, which is inhibited protease. This is called as what? This is called as inhibited protease. Okay, and after the protease is inhibited, this particular step that the protease enzyme will come over here, and it will cut this particular polypeptide chain, and after that viral proteins are produced. This particular step cannot happen. This particular step now cannot happen. Why it cannot happen? Because the protease enzyme which was going to do this work of cutting the polypeptide chain, this protease enzyme has been blocked. Blocked by what? Protease enzyme has been blocked by protease inhibitor. So this particular step, which is essential for viral protein production and replication of virus, this particular step cannot happen. As this particular step cannot happen, so virus cannot replicate, and as virus cannot replicate, so it cannot grow in the body of the host. It cannot grow in the body of the host, and as a result it will die. We should not say die. It will get defunctioned. Okay, it will get defunctional. That is what we can say. Okay, so this was all about this particular Abbott's protease treatment inhibitor using ritonavir. This particular statement has been written in your this particular phrase. This is not a statement, it is a phrase. This phrase has been written in your Clayden book. This particular phrase has been written. So I just explained the meaning of this particular phrase. Okay, thank you very much.